Hey everyone. Welcome to Learn Basic English, your first steps. I'm here to help you start your journey to speaking English confidently. Whether you're starting from scratch or brushing up on the basics, this video is perfect for you. We'll begin with some common greetings. In English, saying hello and hi are the most common ways to greet someone. Hello is a bit more formal, while hi is casual. You can also say hey to friends. Easy, right? Next, let's move on to introductions. When you meet someone new, you can say my name is, and then your name. For example, my name is Alex. Or you can simply say I'm Alex. To ask someone's name, you can say what's your name? Now let's talk about asking how someone is. You can say how are you? The common responses are I'm good, I'm fine, or I'm okay. You can also ask how's it going, which is more casual. Let's cover some basic questions. Where are you from? Is a great way to learn about someone. You can answer I'm from, and your country or city. For example, I'm from Brazil. To ask about someone's job, you can say, what do you do? A simple answer might be, I'm a student or I work in IT. Alright, now some essentials for daily conversation. Words like please, thank you, sorry, and excuse me are crucial. These words show politeness and respect. Now, for example, can you help me please, or thank you for your help. Let's not forget numbers. Counting from 1 to 10 is fundamental. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Finally, let's practice some simple sentences. I like pizza, she is a teacher, they are friends. Practice these kinds of sentences to build your confidence. That's it for part 1. Keep practicing these basics and you'll be ready for more complex conversations in no time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you next time.